Hello everyone. So if you're watching this video, then most likely, and I'd assume that you were going through the same problem that I have been going through for the last couple of hours, trying to figure out what was going on. And it's this issue where the WordPress HTTPS is not working. So you have HTTPS installed on your domain name, a verified SSL certificate, and you have this WordPress installation. I can't show you my installation with WordPress because it would be some privacy issue. But here's basically what you have when you install WordPress. This is begin WordPress and end WordPress is the code in the htaccess file, which handles the the requested URL and then sends it to this file called index.php, and that's how WordPress shows you different pages. But the issue is when you have SSL installed and you have both your HTTP and HTTPS version of your site running, this would be a problem with search engine optimization because you don't want to have two versions of your site. Though they are the same, but to search engines, HTTP and HTTPS both are different versions of the same site. So you would want to merge them, and anytime someone requests the HTTP version, you would want them to be automatically redirected to the HTTPS version. That's something that we have to do manually, in majority of the cases. Now WordPress 5.7 already has built-in redirection, but I'm talking about someone who's going through this problem of having to manually set it, because there are situations when you may need to do that. Now I had this, of course I had other code in the WordPress HTTP file, htaccess file, but this is the code that that concerns us today. So this is begin WordPress to end WordPress. This is the normal htaccess code of WordPress. Then if you want to redirect your HTTP non-secure version to the secure SSL HTTPS version, then you would want to use some. You'll need to use some custom code from the internet, and I have already collected them, so I'm going to paste them here. And if you paste them like this, this is of course my modified version of it. But if you paste them and save this htaccess file, theoretically your WordPress should now be redirecting the HTTP version to the HTTPS version automatically. But if you do this, it's not going to work. And that's where I have spent like a couple hours trying to figure out what was going on. And I finally figured out that if you do this, this order matters. Order of this being the first and this block of code being the second. This order matters. This block needs to be in before this WordPress block, because this WordPress block catches all the URLs you can see here, rewrite base, and they catch everything under the domain and they modify them, and you can't modify them multiple times. So you'd want to, I have searched on forums, and finally I know that you have to move this code above this code somewhere in the htaccess file. If you do that, it'd be completely fine, and your redirection would be working fine. Now if we save this code and load up our site in the HTTP version, non-secure one, it will automatically redirect to the HTTPS version. That was the simple hack, but it wasted a couple hours from my life, so I thought I'd make a short tutorial on this, but it became a little bit a few minutes now, though I could have made it shorter, but that takes practice. But anyways, this is the short hack, simple hack that you need in order to make this redirection work for you. So thank you all for watching this video. Like it and maybe subscribe to my channel if this helped you. And if there's any question, put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And thank you again.